So what you'll notice is there's some patterns in what we're working on. When we have things where we're able to repeat our choice, we get the same number multiplied a couple times, so like 4 times 4 times 4, or 26 times 26 times 26. Those things are very easy to write with powers, 4 cubed or 26 cubed. But when we said that we couldn't repeat our choices, we would get a number multiplied times one number smaller, multiplied by one number smaller, and so on. So that's where factorial notation comes in handy. For any natural number, n factorial, so that's n with an exclamation point after it, is simply n times n minus 1 times n minus 2, all the way down to 3 times 2 times 1. Also, 0 factorial is equal to 1. If we want to find 4 factorial, that just means 4 times 1 less, so times 3, times 1 less, times 2, times 1 less, that's 1. So 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 is 24. To calculate this on a TI-83 graphing calculator, what you would do is you would put in the number that you're taking the factorial of, then you'll press the Math menu, you'll use your arrow keys to go over to PRB, and then you'll go down to the fourth choice, which is the factorial choice. Pressing Enter will paste that to your home screen. Pressing Enter again will actually cause it to calculate and give you 24. If you needed to find 7 factorial, in that case, you would do 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. If you were to multiply those out, you'd get 5040. Or on your calculator, you could go ahead and type 7, then the Math menu, go over to PRB, choose choice 4, which is factorial, press Enter and Enter, and it'll give you that exact same number. 3 people are running for the positions on the board of a nonprofit organization. How many possible finishing orders are there? We need to make 3 choices. 3 people are running, so the number of ways to make the first choice is 3. Once we've chosen that person what order they're going to finish in, then we need to choose how many ways are there to choose the order for the second person, and there's 2 ways to do that. And once we've chosen the order for the first 2, the last one is already made, and there's going to be 1 way to make that choice. So 3 times 2 times 1 is going to be the number of finishing orders. You'll notice that this is just a factorial. This is simply 3 factorial, and if you were to put that into your calculator, you'd get 6. So there are 6 different finishing orders for these positions on the board.